Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I am a legal intern in Nexus and Company. So in today's video, I am going to give an overview about lex contractors, which comes under the ambit of private international law. So now talking about lex contractors. Lex contractors is a concept of private international law that refers to the law governing to a particular contract. When parties from different jurisdictions enter into a contract, conflicts may arise regarding which jurisdiction's law should apply to the contract. The principle of lex contractors helps determine the applicable law and resolve any dispute that may arise. The application of lex contractors involves a two-step process. The first one is determining the proper law, and the second one is identifying the applicable rules of that law. The primary objective is to ascertain the legal system more closely connected to the contract and the parties involved. Various factors are considered in this analysis, including the intentions of the parties, the place of contract performance, and the place of contract formation. One of the most important approaches to determining the proper law is the doctrine of party autonomy. Under this principle, the parties are allowed to choose the applicable law for their contract. This choice is typically expressed in a clause within the contract itself. However, party autonomy is subject to certain limitations imposed by the public policy of the chosen jurisdiction or any mandatory provision of the applicable laws. So, in cases where the parties have not made any explicit choice of law, courts employ different conflict of laws rules to determine the proper law. These rules vary across jurisdictions but generally consider factors such as the closest connection, the place of performance, and the nationality or the domicile of the parties. Courts may also consider the principles of reasonableness and fairness while selecting the applicable law. Once the proper law is determined, the next step is to identify the specific rules of that law that should apply to the contract. This entails understanding the substantive provisions of the chosen jurisdiction's law, such as contract formation, validity, interpretation, performance, and remedies. The court or arbitrator must interpret and apply these rules to resolve any dispute between the parties. So now I am going to wind up this video, and if you guys have any doubt regarding this, you can just ping in the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much and have a nice day.